Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you a mini Lego submarine that I made. So it's all black as you can see. So I like to call it as a stealth or a spy submarine. So now I'm gonna just show you the whole submarine. So this is the front view. This is one side of it. And this is the back. And this is the other side. And then the front again. So it has a gun over here, as you can see, this one. So it's a kind of weapon, so that's why that's another reason I like to call it a spy or a stealth submarine. Then you have these over here which look pretty cool. This part over here, I like that. And it's pretty small build, so there are not many features. The propeller on the back spins, and also if you have power functions, you can actually attach the lights into this part over here. So I've got the power functions battery box and the lights over here, and I have attached it into this piece. So now I'm going to switch on the lights and show you how it looks when the lights are on. So there it is with lights. Looks pretty cool with lights. But the only problem with the lights is that the lights pop out from here, and that does not look very good. So now I'm gonna switch off the lights. I like the submarine better without lights, so I'm just gonna remove them and keep the battery box aside. So if you like this submarine, give the video a big thumbs up. And if you want a tutorial for this spy submarine, then comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.